go outside and ride your bike and stay in shape? So, let's take a look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the MERACH S19-B2 Recumbent bike. This is a fitness exercise bike that you put in your house and it keeps you in shape. Did I mention that it's perfect for tall people? This thing is great for people over 6 foot tall. As you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it.
This is the MERACH S19-B2 Recumbent exercise bike for your home. Ergonomic comfort and design, experience 35% less fatigue and 90% reduced knee pressure with their comfortable recumbent bike. Its ergonomic seat and low center of gravity design offers a safer, more stable recumbent exercise bike workout than upright bikes. Smart auto resistance with app syncing. Sync your exercise bike with the MERACH app for automatic resistance changes. As the instructor directs, your indoor stationary bike adjusts instantly, creating a truly immersive and hands-free workout. Spacious design for tall users, their extended frame recumbent exercise bike comfortably fits users up to 6'3". Enjoy 30% more legroom compared to standard recumbent bikes, making it the ideal exercise bike for tall people. 13 professional training programs, so you can challenge yourself with 13 built-in programs on your fitness bike. Designed by experts. From smart flow to heart rate control, this stationary exercise bike for home offers a variety for all your fitness goals. Durable and knee-friendly construction, built with 65% more material for superior durability. This recumbent stationary bike features a dual belt drive and an 11-pound doctor-recommended flywheel for smooth, quiet, and joint-gentle rides. Stress-free ownership guarantees. So your risk-free recumbent bike experience is a 30-day trial plus 1-year coverage. This 85% pre-assembled recumbent exercise bike for seniors can be set up in less than 30 minutes with the video guides. Need help moving your recumbent bike? Front transport wheels allow effortless relocation. You can call or text the MERACH experts 24/7 for customized support. Another amazing product over here from MERACH, and I gotta say, this thing is great, it's comfortable, and boy, it makes my life just that much easier. Great job, guys. Great job.
As you know, we worked with MERACH in the past on multiple products, and everything they do is just so nice. High quality, affordable, and has the most modern technology in it. It's just, it's super nice. It makes your life so much easier, and it makes your wallet happy. We want to give a huge shout out to MERACH for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye. Stay in shape.